Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in Boston on the construction site. You can see the skyline there behind me, and then got the Charles River over in that area, Cambridge, and I'm standing on a structure here. This structure bridges the building behind me, which is being remodeled, over to this elevator behind me. I'm doing some work here covering this elevator, and this video is going to be about how do construction workers access the site. This is a unique site, being as there's a remodel, and the reason we have this big bridge across here is the elevator can't be attached directly to the structure because of the lower levels that extend out towards the alley, so therefore they had to build a pretty elaborate structure with a lot of iron and steel to actually attach this thing over here. So I'll take you guys on a tour, and you'll see what this elevator access is all about on the construction site. So here's this elevator here. We got several things going on right here. This here is a call box. You push a button and let the operator know where you're at. You're ready to get picked up. This little horn here, if there's an emergency, 3 blasts of that will notify us that there may be something going on, and there you can hear somebody calling for 15. Got an eye wash station here. If you get some kind of crud in your eye, you clean it up, and of course you got a fire extinguisher. And then let me step back here. Here comes the other car coming up right there. Yeah, it looks like he's stopped on the floor below, so let's take a ride. All right, this here's the operator's panel. Here's the power up button, or the e-stop is commonly referred to. We got a heater in here for the winter time, and we got a light here for nighttime operations. This light lets you know that everything's good to go. Just want to open this door here too. So the light went off when I opened the door. That's because we have these little things here. So this here is a limit switch. So when I do that, it sends a message back to the system. And when I close the second door, then we'll get the green light over here. And this thing's ready to roll. So we're going down, so it's real simple. You just like that, and we're going down now. There's various floors we're passing. And it looks like out there in the back, or here on the side and stuff. So it's a little quick view of what it looks like riding this thing. As far as operating, you just come back to the middle, you just slow it down, and you can just stop it like that. 18 going down. Okay, so we're loading out trash right now. And of course, you just heard somebody call for pick up on the loading dock. All this trash is going out. This is all from the remodel. So there's empty carts coming up, and a bunch of junk going down that we're hauling down. So this is what I'm doing all day over here. It's not a typical job site in the sense of construction going on. It's more of demolition at this point. So that's all trash from the old dormitories of the university we're working at here. So we're gonna take that down to the dumpster. So this is the loading dock, and that's the tower going up. You can see the other car going up, and of course right here, this is the massive structure to get us over the rooftop of the other part of the building here. And all the shit we just brought down is going in the dumpster here. So this is, like I said, the loading dock. You get back up here, like these dumpsters get pulled away up through the alley. There's a rubber-tired excavator back there doing a little bit of work too. So it's a pretty cool job site, considering the structure here, how elaborate that structure is there to bridge the gap for the elevators. Another thing with this particular elevator, we've got 3 doors. This door goes to the bridge that bridges from the alley to the structure across the lower rooftop. And then over here we have a side door. It's a large side door. And then the third door here opens out onto the loading dock. You see I got some more trash here, so this is pretty typical. The side doors being larger, you can, depending on how your loading dock's set up, you can actually load some stuff in here straight off the dock with a forklift. And then out here, off in the distance there, we got a mobile crane doing a little bit of work in here too. That's one of Max's. It's a small Liebherr truck crane. He's getting some action over here, pulling the junk off the roof from the demolition and everything. All right, back in the car here, so check this out. That's Narcan, because so many guys now are doing drugs and shit, so hopefully we'll never have to use it, but we do have that on site too as a safety measure. This car's capacity, 7,000 pounds, over 35 men. This is the heater I mentioned. A nice heater for the winter time. Ladder. The ladder is for access to this hatch to go up and do inspections on the tower masts, rack and pinion system, and other things like that. So here's another nice look of the inside of this rig here. And we've got a nice hook here for my little backpack and my hard hat to hang on as well. Okay, this is a plate. And this little piece keeps it stowed away out of the way, but we can pull that on that chain and we put it across this gap here so the wheels don't get stuck. When you're pushing things on and off, sometimes they can get stuck, the wheels. So with this nice plate for that. And if you look down to the gap there, you can see it goes straight down to the bottom. And these are my nice new Thorogood boots, made in the USA. The elevator's back there. I'm on the other side where the structure goes over here. And just want to show you some of the scaffolding here. This is really pretty elaborate. They got some. They cut through the exterior facade there, the brick cladding or whatever you want to call it, the shell of the building. With these tie-ins here, you cut this open, also through the brick, and then of course that's the floor above us, and then we got access into the building here. You see the floor below. This took some serious engineering here. Whoever did this, I got to give them the kudos for being pretty freaking smart. It's turned out really nice. This is a quick view of the loading dock there. Really nice loading dock, and of course you see the structure there, and the elevator up there working on the upper floors right now. All right, so this is the rig that was in the one of the frames earlier. It's a Maxim rig, small Liebherr. Looks like it's maybe a 60 ton. He's over here working on the roof too, pulling junk out of there, all that good stuff. So I'm on my lunch break. I'm gonna get on here and have a little chat with you guys, and so just stay put for that. So I'm stepped out of the elevator for a little walk around the city here in Boston, and really like working in the cities. Worked in some cool cities over the years. So that's the Maxim rig that I was talking about, the previous frame. Yeah, so worked in Boston, currently in Boston that is, and done some work in Seattle, in Denver, and it's always cool just to get out and check out the different neighborhoods. So I actually worked in this neighborhood recently, across the highway there on a small tower crane, and but you get into these little neighborhoods. It's like cities are big, but at the same time, they have their own little neighborhoods, and it's nice just to wander through here, meet some of the locals, and check out some of the restaurants. So I stepped away for lunch and be going up to this place here that I found. It's a little crepery. You get to enjoy. Had a savory crepe this morning. It was really nice. I didn't want to have something more on the sweet side with some coffee maybe. But we got these couple little cafes over. We got a Greek cafe, pizza joint, and so I'm gonna be going up here to this place up here behind me. Right there. It's the Crispy Crepe Cafe, and I'll attach a little bit there of what we had for lunch today too. A little short video of that. So this is a apple Nutella coconut crepe. This is for lunch today, and bon appetit. See you next time on the channel, and please remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.